Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So today we will start chapter 9 articles. So what are articles? So as we know a, an and the, these three are articles. What are the articles? A, an and the. These three are articles. So we will come to know the use of these articles in this chapter. Okay, but first we will read these sentences. I met a little girl on my way to office. She had an apple in one hand and a doll in the other. She offered half of the apple to me. The apple was juicy. So you can see these highlighted words. These highlighted words a, an, a, the, over here again the and the. So what are these? These are called articles. So let us move towards the chapter. The highlighted words a, an and the in the above sentences tell us something about the nouns they are used with. So they tell something about the noun like an apple. So what quantity is apple? 1. A little girl. How is the girl? She is little and one girl. So similarly it tells about nouns. Okay, tells us something about nouns they are used with. Such words are known as articles. So now we will learn the rules, the usage of articles a and an. So read these rules to find out when we use the articles a and an. So first one is, if a word begins with a consonant sound, we use a before it. So what are consonant? So like over here examples, a book. Book, why? We are using a because it starts with a consonant, that is B. Then a dress, consonant D you can see. A packet of fresh cream. So P is the consonant. Next, if a word begins with a vowel sound, what are vowels? We know A, E, I, O and U, isn't it? These are the 5 vowels. So if the word begins with a vowel sound, we use an. For example, an orange, an egg, an umbrella. You can see it starts with O, E, U. So these are vowels, so that is why we are using an. Next, for words like hour, honest, honor and air, where the H is silent. So you can see hour. So H, we can't hear the sound of H. So H is silent. Honest, again H is silent. Honor, again H is silent. Air, so again H is silent. So since H is silent, we use an. So an hour ago, an honest man, an heir to the throne. So since H is silent, so what is the next word? That is a vowel. You see, if we cancel that H, O is a vowel, again O is a vowel, E is also a vowel. That is why the sound that comes gives the vowel sound. That is why what do we use? We use an. Next, a and an are used with singular nouns. So when do we use a and an? Only with the singular nouns like a cat, an elephant, a tiger. If that is plural, we don't use a or an. Not a cats, an elephants, or tiger. These will be wrong. So the correct one is a cat, an elephant, or tiger. Okay. Next, a and an are used with common nouns. So they are used with common nouns that we use for the first time. When we use that common noun for the first time, we use a and an. Like my mother wore a beautiful red sari yesterday. So a beautiful red sari. So once it is, for the first time if it is used, we use a. Okay. Next, we will move on towards the usage of article the. But before we start, we will read this. We use the article a or an before a noun when we talk about the noun for the first time. Just now we have learned that when we talk about a noun for the first time, we use a or an. Then when we talk about the noun again, if we talk about the noun again, we use article the before the noun. Okay, if we use that word or that noun again, we use the. See example, I bought a travel journal yesterday. So a travel journal, once we have used. For the second time, what we will use? I carried the journal with me whenever I am traveling. So this shows that for the first time if we use a or an, and the second time if we are talking about that noun, we use the. Now for article the, what are the rules? Read these rules to find out when we use the article the. We use the with nouns that have already been mentioned before. So just now we came to know noun that have already been mentioned before, we use the for that. For example, I saw a bird in a tree. So a bird for the first time, and when we'll talk about the noun bird again, what do we use? The. The bird then hopped along the branch to its nest. So this shows that the can be used with noun that have already been mentioned before. Then we use the when we know who or what we mean. So we use the when we know about the person or what do we mean to say. For example, the principal of our school. Who's principal of our school? So the principal. Then similarly, the guard of our colony. Next, we use the before the things that are one of a kind, or unique. That is only one. There is no other like them. For example, the earth, the sun, the planets, the moon. So is there any other earth? Is there any other sun? Is there other planets? No. So since they are one of a kind, they are unique, so we use the with them. Next, we use the before the names of places or things we all know about. So we use the before the names of a place or things that we know about. For example, the mountains, the hills, the rivers. Okay. Then we also use the before proper noun. So we use the before proper noun denoting monuments, rivers, seas. So if we are talking about proper noun, then again we use the. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea. So Taj Mahal, it is the name of a monument. Red Fort, it is also name of a building, a monument. Then Ganga, the Ganga, it is the name of a river. The Arabian Sea, it is name of a sea. So we use the before these proper noun also. So these were some rules for the usage of articles a and the. So I would request you to go through the chapter. Okay, learn the rules, go through it. Okay, in the next video we will be discussing the exercise of this chapter. As you can see, the exercise is quite lengthy, but we will be discussing it. So that was all for today's class. Thank you.